Here we have a triangle ABC, and I've drawn the median to this triangle. Okay, how did I draw median? I just joined this vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side to this vertex. Okay, so here I have the median, and because of this median I have this side, this portion equals to this. Does this median divides this bigger triangle into two congruent triangles? No, they are not congruent visually even. Okay, and if we go through the procedure, mathematical procedure, we have this as the common arm for both the triangles, and we have this is equals to this because of this median. Okay, but we do not have any third equality, and we won't get it even. Okay, so this is a median, and the height of this triangle is here. Okay, why? Because this triangle is raised from this base up to this height here. Okay, and we can measure the height like this, and we can also measure the height by drawing by keeping I'm keeping a scale here. Okay, I have to keep a scale parallel to the base. Okay, so the distance between this line and this line is the height. No, we can measure because this is the top vertex, so top vertex aligns on this line. Okay, so we can find out the height like this also. So we have already discussed in this in previous video. Now I'm just going to cut this bigger triangle from here. Let's see. So here are the two cutouts. Okay, this one and this one. So now this is another separate triangle, and this is one more. What's the height of this triangle? Okay, will the height change? No, because here is the base, from this base till this top point. And what's the height of this triangle? Okay, so it's the same. How come? Because the top vertex was same for both. So height of this triangle and this triangle is also same. Now it's till here. So when it is like this, how do we draw the height? We draw the height by extending the base, and then like this. No, so this is the height. So so now what do we know about these two triangles? We know that we have the same base for both the triangles. At least these bases are same. I cannot say about the rest bases. Yeah, this base is also same here for both, this for this and this for that. But these are not same, these bases are not same. So we have these two bases are same, and the height corresponding to these two bases is also same. Okay, height corresponding to this base is this, and the height corresponding to this base is also this. Okay, so what does that tell us? See, that tells us that the area of these two triangles is same. These triangles are not congruent, but they do not overlap each other, but their area is same. Okay, and nothing strange about it. Okay, if we have two rectangles whose length is 3 or breadth is 4, and here we have 6 and 2, so they are not congruent, no, but their area is gonna be same. So similarly here, so they are not congruent, but the area is same. Now you must be thinking, how come? So that's simply by their formula. What do you know about the formula of the area of triangle? Okay, well, we know that area of a triangle is half into base into corresponding height, which means half into base length into the height corresponding to that base. Okay, so now the area of this triangle is this into height. Let this base be x. Okay, and let this height be y. Okay, the distance between the top vertex to the base, let it be y. So what's gonna be the area of triangle 1 here? The area of triangle 1 is half into x into y. Similarly, the area of this triangle is also half into x into height. So the height is same. No? So the area of triangle 1 and triangle 2 both is half into x into y. Okay. So what is our new concept? The new concept is this: median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Why? Because the moment you will draw the median, you will get two triangles. Okay, and those two triangles will have same base, as this is a median, and they will have same height because both of them are raised to a same point. No, raised till a same point. So this is the concept of this video. And area of triangle ABT, here I've just named this point as T. So ABT is equals to area of triangle, we can name it anyway, TBC, and both of them are half of, because these two are equal, that means each one of them is half of triangle ABC. This is what I have written here. Okay, so now I'll be giving you question based on this. So whenever you'll be using this concept, within brackets you have to write the name of the median, and name of the median should start from vertex to the midpoint. It is BT, not TB. So okay, so BT is the median. You can simply write that. Okay, as BT is the median, therefore. Okay, either you can write in the brackets or in the beginning, as BT is the median, therefore area of triangle ABT equals to area of triangle BTC, and whatever you wish to write, it depends upon what does question ask from you. Thank you.